This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Tesla side mirrors. First, access the mirror controls directly through your Tesla's large touchscreen display. Navigate to the Controls menu, then select Quick Controls from the options presented. From there, choose the Mirrors option to activate the adjustment interface. This initial step prepares your vehicle for precise mirror positioning, ensuring you have full control over your view. Once the mirror adjustment interface is active, you will use the left scroll wheel located on your steering wheel. Gently roll the scroll wheel up or down to adjust the mirror's vertical position. Push the scroll wheel left or right to change its horizontal angle. Aim to position the left mirror so you can just see a small portion of your vehicle's rear quarter panel, maximizing your view of the lane beside you. After adjusting the left mirror, you will then select the right mirror on the touchscreen to switch control. Again, use the left scroll wheel on your steering wheel to make the necessary adjustments. Roll the wheel up or down for vertical movement and push it left or right for horizontal positioning. The goal is to achieve a clear and expansive view of the adjacent lane, similar to your left mirror setup, minimizing blind spots. Once both side mirrors are perfectly positioned, remember to save these settings to your personal driver profile. This ensures your preferred mirror positions are automatically recalled each time you enter the vehicle. You can also enable the convenient auto tilt feature, which automatically angles your mirrors downward when you shift into reverse, providing a better view of curbs and obstacles. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, please see the links in the description below. This feature helps prevent curb rash and makes parking much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.